Hi guys, bonjour. Welcome back to the channel once again. If you are new here, my name is Deborah Diamond, an international student living in Paris. And if you are also a returning subscriber, I say thank you for growing together with me. I know that we will get somewhere someday, somehow, okay? On my channel, I share lifestyle vlogs, living in Paris vlog, like student life, how I enjoy my student life here, my stay, everything. If you are into lifestyle vlogs, then this is the channel for you. Please stay here with me. So yeah, guys, we are in the autumn season, almost in the autumn season, and autumn is my favorite season of the year. I love this season so much, so I want to like feel the vibe of this seasons. So I was thinking of buying few stuffs to reset my apartment to fit in the season. I love autumn, so I want to put myself into it so much. So I'll be going to IKEA tomorrow, or maybe probably on Wednesday, to see if I can get some flowers, few stuff, pillows, few stuffs to just put my space together for the season. I ordered few stuffs from Shein. It just got in. I'm going to go to the mailbox to get them, and then we unbox it together. Okay, so let's unbox together. Okay, I think this is the Kindle. I'll open it and then we check what is inside. Yeah, so I got a new hair bonnet which have the autumn color. I'm so much ready for this season, you know. It's autumn. Let me try and see how it'll go. It'll go. Eh. We'll try it later. Yeah, you know, the autumn colors are like burnt orange, beige, brown, those kind of colors. So I saw this sweater on Shein and I loved it. So I decided to get it for the season. It looks so beautiful. We will do outfit check. And then I think this is the Kindle because I got Kindle for the season. Eh? Yep, this is the Kindle. Great. Great. Okay. I'm so much ready for the season, you know. And it came with a remote, you know. Okay, I think it uses battery. Okay, so I need to get some batteries and put it in there so it can function. Okay. So guys, this is the candle for the autumn season. Yep. Hi guys, it's another day. I ordered stuff from Amazon and it just got in, so I decided to unbox it with you. Okay, my caps. Voila. So I got this blue cap. I have it in red. I think it's here. Yes, I have it in red. So I got it in blue. I think I ordered it in 4 different colors, but they've delivered 3, no 5. So they delivered 3, remaining 2. I think the green and the brown. So this is the blue. It looks so beautiful, you know. And this is the green, kind of, yeah. I think it's navy green. Yeah, I have a sneaker that have the same color, so I decided to get it so I can just be matching them. So yep, and this is the black. Yes, this one is going to suffer because I have a lot of stuff that I can be matching this with. So I misplaced my water bottle in the metro, so I needed to get a new one, and I got this one. I don't know the brand. I think it's this Magic Cube sport bottle. So this is, I don't know if you can see, this is the brand I got. And let me check how. Oh wow, it's so beautiful and big. Yeah, so I got this from, I don't know the brand, but per the symbol you can tell what brand is it. So yeah. Okay, so nice. Wow. So this is it, you know. Yep. And let me open. Wow, it comes with 2 straws and then a brush to wash the straw. So yeah, this is it. It looks so clean and nice. Yep. That's my favorite body lotion. I think the one I have is almost done. So I've not tried this flavor before. So it's the EOS, but I've not tried this flavor before. I've been using the vanilla cashmere, but I decided to get the coconut water to check if it works like the other ones I've been using. So I decided to get this one. This body lotion is really good. So yeah, so that is all for finish. Enkonche Nina Ediadas. Hi guys, so today I have an appointment at the airport concerning a new job, and also I'll be going out with my friend to just go out and chill because next month we are starting or resuming classes. We need to refresh our mind, get ready for the semester. So yep.
C'est un match autant. C'est clair. Voilà, je dis,
Are you okay?
So when we are going, like we are going to time that it takes.
small. Medium. This is medium. Medium is fine, eh? Yeah, let me try it and see. Should I try this? My friend just brought me here just for me to waste my money. Look, God, what is this?
But it's actually nice.
This. You know, in my eyes, when I see jacket like this, I won't pass. But I'm trying to save money to use this gift.
The color is nice. Yeah, the color is really nice.
It looks so brave on me. You into the mirror? It's so brave.
The color is nice. Do you like it?
I like it. I'm buying it. I am buying it. I'm going home.